It's critical if companies are using business intelligence tools like Tableau or Power BI that you do not expose sensitive data for users who do not need to see it in the clear. On the other hand, it's important that the data should be made available to authorized users when needed in order to create that valuable insight from the data that we all require. Now, with Comforte, we can provide integrations between your business intelligence tools and data warehouse environments such as Snowflake in Tableau in order to limit the access to sensitive data based on the job responsibilities. So, this allows organizations to continue running meaningful analytics in Tableau type environments while having the confidence that sensitive data is not being exposed unnecessarily. In the first example, I've logged into Tableau using the j.blogs account, who had the role of the call center agent in Snowflake. And if you recall, most of the PII data remained completely tokenized when we ran our query, but for data types such as country and city, they were actually available in the clear to the end user. So this now enables users to create reports on this kind of data in tools such as Tableau to create that meaningful insight into the data without showing the full PII data elements. Such as we can start to understand the most popular car that was bought in different states across the US in the last 2 years, for example. So it's really important that we limit the access to sensitive data so that we're not exposing unnecessary information to end users without the required need to know. But if we log into Tableau as the T.Chapman user, who has the role of the data analyst that we saw in Snowflake, and they require that full access to the data. So this could be to provide reports or other types of analysis to senior management, for example. Now, using that same dashboard as we did in the previous example, you can see that all of the sensitive data is now being revealed into the clear. So, for example, we can now start to understand the different cars that were being purchased by different people from across the world, or the average cost of a car per country from across the world as well. Okay, so this was just a short introduction into how Comforte can provide integrations between a data warehouse environment, such as Snowflake, and a business intelligence platform, such as Tableau, where we can limit the access to sensitive data based on the job responsibilities of users, which enables your organization to continue extracting value from these platforms while having the confidence that sensitive data is not being exposed unnecessarily.